Welcome to Accountability. This help video will help you understand how to send out maps and directions. First, you'll need to log in to Accountabillity.com. Do this by going to your desktop and down at the bottom left, click on the Start button, which will bring up a window that will show you a list of programs, and we need to find your browser. In this case, we could find Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. You may have a third one, but those are the most common. Click on one of those. It'll open up a browser, and what we need to do is type in to the address bar www.accountability.com, and please note that we need you to type in the 3 W's, and you also need to know that accountability is spelled with 2 L's. If you forget the 3 W's and the 2 L's, you'll go somewhere else. Once you've done that, you'll come to our login screen, and you'll see the text login in the top right. Click on that, and that will open a little window where you'll enter your username, which is your cell phone number that you registered with, and your password, which is your email address that you registered with. You'll also note that you can change your password. We'll discuss that in another video. And also on the bottom left, you can click on Show or Hide Password, which will let you toggle between seeing and the text as you type, which may make it easier if you have an especially long or difficult email address. Next, once you close that, you'll come back to the main screen, and you'll take your pointer with your mouse and you'll hover over Daily Report, which will open up Job Listing, and then you can slide over to Notes and click on Notes. And when you do that, it'll bring up the notes page, and in this case we've just got the one job, and you'll notice that if you put your pointer on that, it'll bring up a little box that says click to edit job profile, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on that word, the name of that job, whatever it is, and it's going to open up a page which is the job setup page. And on the bottom of the job setup page are 4 buttons. We're going to click the one on the left that says Add Edit Instructions, and when you click on that, it'll bring up a window, and the window is where we're going to enter the map and instruction information. In this empty field here, you could type whatever notes or information you want. They could be instructions, they could be job notes, they could be specifications, they could be anything you want, which will be saved to that job, and anybody with a phone in your company could access that. And down on the bottom here, you can enter address information for a map. And so when you do that, you'll need to add the address, and then you'll need to save the info, and then you'll want to view the map to make sure it's what you want. But make sure you save the info before you view the map. So you click on View the Map, and it brings up the address. You'll see that in the top right of the map, you can make some changes. You could, in this case, zoom in. Actually, we're zooming in from the left over here. You can zoom in and zoom out. And if you go to the right, you can change between satellites, just a street view, or you can add terrain to that view. So let's see how that looks on the phone. If you open up your phone and click on the accountability icon, and if you can't find the accountability icon, go down to Applications on the bottom right, tap that, and we should be the first application as we are ACC. Tap that, it'll open up the main menu screen of the Accountability phone app. We're going to click on the blue icon across from Daily Worksheet. Once you do that, it'll bring up a listing of the job. And in this case, we're not interested in the blue icon. I want you to tap the text. And the text will be blue if there is a map or information stored there. If the text is white, there is no information behind it. So if you go ahead and tap that now, it would bring up the notes on the top, and these, once again, these could be notes or specifications or directions, and it'll bring up the map on the bottom. And just as in the web page, this map, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can look at satellite versus street view, and that's it. You've got a map, you've got instructions. It's not so hard. So thanks for watching. This is Accountability, signing off. We'll see you at the next video.